Here's how you can connect your Apple Airpods Pro with a Pixel phone or any other Android 14 phone with the same operating system. So first things first, on your AirPods Pro, you want to get these into pairing mode. And to manually do that, you'll see that button at the back of the case. Go ahead and hold that down until you see that white blinking light. Once you see it blink a few times, let it go. Keep the case lid open. Then on your Android phone, go into the Bluetooth toggle, long press it, and select Pair New Device. It's going to start searching. You'll see AirPods Pro. You'll allow it. Then you'll see it's active and you are connected. You can tap on the settings here to see the options to turn on. Now, you are connected and you can use the AirPods Pro just like that. However, if you want to get the pop-up animation, you can try this app here. It's called Pods Battery. It's a free app, and if you don't want it, it's up to you. You can end the video from here. But once you have it installed, you'll have to agree to certain permissions and give it permissions to allow for the Bluetooth and notifications, battery optimizations, and also the overlay if it prompts you to that. So once you hit finish and this shows up here, you'll tap on the settings right there. And this is where you can allow it for the specific model. So you'll go to AirPods here, and then just choose the AirPods Pro, whether it's Pro or Pro 2. That's the Pro 2 I have. And then you'll just make sure these are all enabled for the pop-up animation. Just turn on the switch here. You'll have to agree that's for the display over apps or video overlay, which is the animation that pops up. Okay, so go there and turn it on. Now, once you've done with all that here, you can choose how long the pop-up takes to close. And that's basically it. So when you open up the case lid for the AirPods Pro, you should get this right here. And also restart your phone, then come back and try it again if it doesn't work the first time. But hey, if this guide helped you out in any way, do hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, okay?